Hello guys, we're back again with Black Beauty Avante. Right now we're trying to figure out how much oil I'm getting on the cams. I'm gonna be removing all the top. I'm gonna be putting the metal shelving that I created. I'm gonna have to make some customization so it can fit, because I noticed that my spark plugs it won't fit. So eventually you guys will see what I'm gonna be doing. Alright guys, I'm gonna start it now. Um, I got my safety check right there and the pressure washer. just to make sure that doesn't cut on fire. Hopefully it starts like that. The high pressure fuel pump, you have to leave it attached, because if not, it will be spilling fuel everywhere. Alright, with the little start, I can see everything is getting oil. So I already know that it's lubricating, but not that much. So I'm gonna do the little side project that I'm gonna be doing to this head, and you guys are gonna see. Wow, I just noticed something. And look at that screw. It's loose. So maybe that's why it was making that sound. Okay. Let's remove this. What I'm trying to do is make this hole bigger. I'm gonna be doing this, but if you guys doing this, it's at your own risk. I mean, I do it because I know how to fix these engines if something does happen. I'm just showing you guys what I do with my engines. But if you guys trying to copy this and something failed, don't blame me. Blame yourself. The drill bit that I'm using is 764. If you guys are gonna doing this, you need to drill it really slow. Trying to get all the metal shavings. Okay, I'm gonna show you the difference. You see? So now we get more lubrication. This is the hole that I made, and that's the factory. You see how big it is? That's why I make them the same size. There you go. Hopefully that fixed already the issue that I was having with the little knocking sound. Alright guys, see you in the next one.